Now in quadratic equation, the question is find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist by the method of completing the square. So the first part or the first question is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Now see, we have been given the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So writing this again. See, if we know that the coefficient of x square should be 1. So what we will do is that we will divide throughout by 2. Because here it is 2 and it should be 1. So dividing throughout by 2, this will be x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals 0. Now one thing that we will do is that we will take 3 by 2 towards right. So this will be x square minus 7 by 2x equals minus 3 by 2. Now see, our next step is, see, we take the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 7 by 2. Now we take half the coefficient of x. Actually we do half of it. So half of 7 by 2 will be 7 by 4 and then square it. So that will be 49 by 16. Now we are going to add this 49 by 16 to both sides of the equation. So this will be x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 49 by 16 equals minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. Now see, now you look at the left hand side. Now see, this you can write it in the form of a minus b whole square. That is the identity. As you know, 49 by 16 is actually 7 by 4. This 49 by 16 is actually 7 by 4 whole square. 7 by 4 whole square. So we can write this as x. And there is a minus sign in between. So that will be minus. That means it's a minus b. So we can write x minus 7 by 4 whole square. This is equals to, now solving the right hand side. You take the LCM. The LCM will be 16. LCM will be 16. So this goes actually 8 times. So this will be minus 24 plus 49, which is equals to minus 24 plus 49 is 25 by 16. Now writing this over here on the right hand side. So this will be x minus 7 by 4 whole square equals 25 by 16. Now what we will do is that we will take under root on both the sides. So when we take under root on both sides, so this will become x minus 7 by 4 equals, this will be 5 by 4. Under root of 25 by 16 will be 5 by 4, but that will be plus minus 5 by 4. Now solving for x. Now x will be equals, see, taking minus 7 by 4 to that side will be 7 by 4, means positive, plus minus 5 by 4. So we have two solutions, that is 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 and 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. So solving 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 first, which is actually an easy thing because the LCM will be 4 only. So 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, LCM will be 4 only, so it will be 7 plus 5, it is 12, which is 12 by 4, you cancel it, this becomes 3. So one of the solution is 3, and the other one is 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, again the LCM is 4 only, 7 minus 5, that will be 2 by 4, so you write this as 2 by 4, 7 minus 5 is 2 by 4, you cancel it, that becomes 1 by 2. So we have two solutions, x is 3 and x is 1 by 2. X is 3, 1 by 2. So here are the two solutions. So that's our final answer.